Hey there camper, welcome to our camp. Have you ever been outside on a hot summer's day and wanted to cool down? Well, here I got myself a paper fan and I want to show you how to make one. All you need is a piece of paper and some tape, so let's get started. Let's put our piece of paper on a flat piece of surface, and then also let's put our tape off to the side for later. The first step you want to do is grab your piece of paper and fold it in half long ways. So let's align the corners right up here. Let's align them the best we can. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then let's crease. Then we're going to grab the flap of paper that's closest to us and fold that in half as well. And crease. Then we're going to flip the whole piece of paper over and repeat the same step. Grab the flap that's closest to us, fold it inwards, and crease. If I'm going too fast, please feel free to rewind or pause the video if you need to. Then we're going to repeat the same step we just did. We're going to grab the flap that's closest to us, fold it in towards the middle, crease. Then we're going to flip the piece of paper completely over, grab the flap that's closest to us, and fold in towards the middle as well. It doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. Then we're going to unfold the piece of paper and fold each side in towards the middle. So we're going to start with the right side and fold it in towards the middle. And crease. Then we're going to grab the left side and fold that in towards the middle. Now we're going to flip it over, grab each side with our thumbs, and fold in towards the middle. And then crease. And now we have a big fan. If you don't have any tape, this is a pretty good fan to start with. But if you do have tape, there's a few more steps. Crease in the middle, and then fold these two sides in towards each other. And here, you can see there's a separation in the middle. So we're going to flip it over. This is where the tape comes in handy. Grab a piece of tape, and right where the separation is, we're going to bring the pieces of paper together and tape them. And then we want to get another big piece of tape, a longer piece of tape, pinch the bottom, and then wrap the piece of tape around down here. This is going to create a handle, which is going to be very handy. Then we're going to fold the handle in, fold the handle in, and now we have ourselves a pocket fan. All you got to do is move the fan back and forth and you'll feel the air on your face. The movement of the air is what's going to keep you cool. Now, if you have a few more pieces of paper, there's a lot of creative things you can do with fans. You can make them in different colors, you can make them for other people, you can write their names on it, and you can also just draw on them and make your fan really unique to you. Well, I hope you stay cool. Thank you for coming to our camp. Please hurry back, and I'll see you next time.